Welcome to a journey back in time to the workshop of John Worrell Keely, a man far ahead of his era, whose unyielding dedication to the mysteries of the universe led to discoveries that still baffle and inspire. In the heart of the 19th century, amidst the clatter of the Industrial Revolution, Keely's pursuit of harnessing etheric forces, a concept that straddled the line between science and the mystical, promised a future powered by clean, limitless energy. His experiments, teeming with the promise of revolutionizing the world, were nothing short of extraordinary. Yet, it was this very dedication that led to an event as dramatic as the man himself. An explosion in Keely's workshop, a testament to the risks pioneers are willing to take in the name of progress. Listen as John recounts the moment when things could have turned deadly. I have met with an accident to the Liberator. I was experimenting on the third order of intensification when the rotation on the circuit was thrown down in the compound resonating chamber, which by the instantaneous multiplication of the volume induced thereby, caused an explosion, bursting the metal casing which enclosed the 40 resonators, completely dismantling the Liberator. The shock took my senses from me for a few moments, but I was not even scratched this time. A part of the wall was torn away, and resonators and vibrators were thrown all over the room. The neighborhood was quite lively for a time, but I quieted all fears by telling the frightened ones that I was only experimenting. I allowed everything to remain until Dr. Woods and Mr. Collier had seen the effect of the explosion. Thus, we've witnessed a dramatic crescendo in Keely's symphony of scientific exploration. The explosion in his workshop, a vivid reminder of the risks inherent in the pursuit of groundbreaking knowledge. His unyielding commitment to sympathetic vibratory physics was not just a career, it was a life's calling, a relentless pursuit of a vision that was decades, perhaps centuries, ahead of its time. As we draw the curtains on this tale of ambition and audacity, let us remember Keely not just for the brilliance of his mind, but for the indomitable spirit that propelled him. In the face of skepticism and the physical repercussions of his experiments, he stood unwavering, much like the Wright Brothers, who defied the gravity of doubt to kiss the skies. Keely's legacy is a testament to the undying tenacity of human spirit, the kind that pushes boundaries and redefines possibilities. In a world that often hesitates on the brink of new frontiers, Keely serves as a beacon, reminding us that the path to innovation is paved with perseverance, passion, and an unshakable belief in the unseen forces that shape our universe. His life's work, a mosaic of triumph and tribulation, challenges us to dare, to dream, and to delve into the depths of the unknown with unwavering resolve. Let his story kindle in us a fire to pursue our own paths with the same relentless dedication that defined Keely's extraordinary journey through life and science.